walk in a house. I got many product in yeah. What's good, party people? It's your girl Andrea. Today I'm here with a new video for you. What is this? What is this? What's good, party people? It's your girl Andrea, and today I'm here with a brand new video for you guys. Today's video is going to be, I definitely did not just forget what today's video is about. I definitely did not just have to look in my notepad to remember what it was about. Quarantine has been a lot for me. Quarantine has definitely tested my patience, and I think I'm going crazy being inside all day. It's raining outside, so if you guys hear any noise, it's the rain because I'm by the window, but whatever. So today's video is going to be how to make a DIY acne curer. If you have acne, no, I understand, I feel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this toner, and this is what mine looks like, at least the bottle that I have it in, and how I make it. This toner is amazing, and the ingredients that I use in it is loved in the beauty community, and people just obsess over it in the beauty community because it has so many benefits. I'm not even going to be able to list all of them in this video, even though I wish I could, but I'm not. Before anybody has anything to say, I am not a licensed dermatologist. I'm not a licensed dermatologist, so I'm just here to educate you guys on something that you probably doesn't know exists. You're probably struggling with acne, and you probably are dying for something to help you, and I know that apple cider vinegar and green tea are amazing tools to help you get rid of your acne. So like I said, no, I'm not a professional, but I'm just here to inform you guys on something that I found was really cool, that I used, that really worked for my skin and helped me to get rid of my breakouts. And I just want to help you guys out in case you were wondering how to make it and you were wondering about the ingredients and the facts. So I'm just here to give that to you guys. Like I said, today I'm going to be telling you all the benefits of this miracle liquid and how to make it as well. But before we get into that, make sure you guys give this video a huge thumbs up, because I know you're not only going to like it, but you're going to love it. Especially if you try this out and it works for you. Let me know down in the comments below if it worked out for you. If you are new to my channel, I am Andrea, and this is my channel. Also, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can be notified of all my future posts, because that will literally rock my world. Like, that would be so sweet if you guys can go do that. And also make sure you follow my social media, which will be somewhere down here, 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 down here. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling and let's just get right into this video. So starting off with the benefits of each ingredient, the ingredients that I use are apple cider vinegar, green tea, and frankincense. And that's all you need for this. You don't need anything else, but you can substitute some of the products for other things. Especially if you have a certain skin type, some of these products may not work for you. So let's talk about the benefits of apple cider vinegar, which, like I said, is loved in the beauty community for many things. It's great for weight loss, and it's also great for balancing the pH in the whole body. Apple cider vinegar is a natural astringent that helps to kill bacteria and yeast on the skin, so it cleans out your skin. When I tell you guys, I will wash my face, and when I wash my face, I wash my face really good. Like, I get in there. You know, not too rough, but I get in there. And I take my cotton ball, my toner, and I just go throughout my face, and you can see the dirt that comes off. And because of the acidity of apple cider vinegar, it also helps to balance the pH of our skin, because if you didn't know, our skin is naturally acidic. And so when you're putting the apple cider vinegar on, that helps to balance the pH of your skin, because it's always thrown off all those crazy products and chemicals that we all put on our face. It's not good. So apple cider vinegar is great for that. Great fixer-upper. And the last thing about apple cider vinegar that I have for you guys today is that it contains alpha hydroxy acid, which is great for exfoliation of the face. And because it's great for exfoliating, that means it's also amazing for getting rid of hyperpigmentation on your skin if you have any of that. I can tell you guys from experience that it really does get rid of I can tell you guys from experience that it really does help to get rid of hyperpigmentation, because I have it and it's pretty much gone now. Like, but like I said, apple cider vinegar is really acidic, so you never want to put this on your skin without diluting it in some way, shape, or form, because if you don't, RIP. As for green tea contains EGCG. I hope I'm saying that right. EGCG, which helps to reduce the amount of sebum, which is the natural oils that our face secretes. So if you have oily skin, green tea is great to put on your skin. And if you don't have oily skin and you have dry skin, I wouldn't recommend using green tea. I would just substitute it for water, because if you have dry skin, your skin is just going to get a billion times more drier. Sebum is probably one of the biggest causes of acne on the skin. So since green tea helps to decrease the amount of sebum on your skin, then that means it helps to decrease the amount of acne on your skin, which is awesome. It can also help to reduce aging, because it helps with the elasticity of your skin, and it also helps with swelling due to its anti-inflammatory properties. I said that right. So that means the swelling on your face is going to go down. Green tea is also very good for helping protect against sun damage, which means no skin cancer, baby. Not only that, but it also helps to exfoliate the skin and helps to get bacteria out of pores, similar to apple cider vinegar. So green tea and apple cider vinegar have a lot of similar properties, which means in combination, there. I also told you guys that I put a little bit of an essential oil in there, which is frankincense, which I love frankincense. Frankincense is great at reducing the visibility of scars. So if you have scars on your face, frankincense is awesome for that. I can tell you guys from experience that it gets rid of the scars. All right, so I'm done talking about the benefits of each ingredient and why it's loved in the beauty community, and now I'm gonna, all those words that I just said were smushed together. So since I told you guys about the benefits of each ingredient, now we can get onto how to make the toner and how to make your skin clear. Hey guys, so to start off, you're gonna need some apple cider vinegar. I used the Bragg raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. I just like that one. Next up, you're gonna need some green tea. I just brewed some. And you need a little container to put your toner in. Then you're gonna need your essential oil, which again is optional. You don't have to do it. You're also gonna need a spoon or something to measure. I have a big spoon. I don't think it's a tablespoon. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure. And you're gonna need a funnel, which is optional. It depends on what kind of container you have. I just use the funnel to help me like not spill anything everywhere. You're gonna take your big spoon. You're gonna stir your tea. So to make this toner, it's about a 1-to-1 ratio of apple cider vinegar and green tea, which means 1 part green tea and 1 part apple cider vinegar. For me, I put about 3 spoonfuls of tea in here. So if you do 3 spoonfuls of green tea, you're gonna need 3 spoonfuls of apple cider vinegar. So now you're gonna take your apple cider vinegar, you're gonna shake it up a little bit. This is how much the bottle has filled up for me so far. You're gonna take your apple cider vinegar and pour it onto your spoon. And then you're going to dump it into the bottle. You could do more or less, it just has to be a 1-to-1 ratio. Now I'm just taking my frankincense, which again is optional, you don't need it. And you're just going to add it in there. And you're all done. That is how you make your apple cider vinegar and green tea toner. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. And make sure to comment and make sure to subscribe. And if you made this, again, comment down below if you liked this, if it worked for you. And just let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed. And peace. Oh.